Hi, I'm Joe Papperman with South Jersey Yacht Sales. I'm here at the Atlantic City Boat Show aboard this 2022 38 Jupiter. This light blue hull 38 Jupiter is powered by triple Yamaha 300s. It also has Yamaha autopilot, a Seakeeper 3 with mezzanine seating, bow thruster, full Garmin electronics package including a 4-foot open array radar, teak ladder back helm chairs from Release and matching ladder back backrests on the forward seating. This boat is set up to fish and cruise comfortably. The finish is impeccable and the ride is unbeatable. Let me walk you through a few of the options on this boat. Here at the transom, aside from these beautiful painted white Yamaha 300s, is a 60-gallon transom live well. This allows you to have plenty of bait throughout the day. There's also a reverso flush system which has been attached to these Yamaha 300s to make flushing simple and easy. You have complete access to your lazarette and all your pumps through this large hatch, and 2 large in-deck fish boxes both to port and starboard. Under each gunnel is additional rod and gaff storage. Here at the mezzanine seating, we have beautiful diamond stitching as well as a cooler box below, and this also is where our Seakeeper is housed. There's plenty of rod storage and cup holders along the back, as well as your rocket launcher here at the back end of the hardtop. On port side here, we have a dive door, which opens up, is beautiful to use at the sandbar with a matching ladder. And also at the transom, we have an additional door that opens up as well. As we move forward, you can see some of the different JL audio speakers that are throughout the boat. Here at the helm, we have our completely flush acrylic helm panel with our Garmin displays, as well as our blacked out steering wheel, bow thruster control, trim tab control, and your engine controls. Here at the helm, there's teak Release ladder back helm chairs with flip up bolsters. This allows you to be able to comfortably operate the boat while standing up or while sitting down. A few other features you'll see is this full Pro Curve glass windshield, powder coated, oversized pipework. And as we continue forward, we actually move up to our well-pointed head. In this console, you have plenty of headroom, a Bomar hatch, and access to all of your electronics panel as well. On both port and starboard side are in-deck rod storage. What this allows you to do is have a set location for your rods when you're traveling or need to put away for that quick afternoon dinner cruise. And these are locking as well. Also at midship, we have swivel rod holders with 12-volt electric reel outlets. This allows you to pull your dredges or any of your deep drop reels as well. Further forward, both port and starboard side, we have locker storage for your lines and fenders. Again, this boat is super thought out. There's a place for everything and everything has its own place. As you see here with this forward contoured lounger with armrest and cup holders, we have an insulated ice hold if you don't want to put it below deck. And as you'll see, there's recesses for your bucket storage as well, and all of our storage compartments are lighted. Our forward seating, as I mentioned before, has the teak ladder back backrest that match the helm chairs. Further diamond stitching on our vinyl cushions. We also have cup holders underneath, as well as cup holder rod holders along the gunnel, so you have access points throughout the boat to fish comfortably or a nice spot to rest your drink. One of the nice features about this forward seating is it's plenty of room here for you and your friends, plenty of room to lounge, but it does not all the way wrap around, which makes it very nice and easy to access your anchor locker and your ground tackle. In this beautifully finished anchor locker, where your windlass is housed, this is also a nice location to be able to fight any fish with very nice high gunnels to help hold you in. This boat uses Jupiter's patented padded hull, which provides superior ride in both high-speed applications and slow-speed applications. Again, my name is Joe Papperman. I'm at South Jersey Yacht Sales aboard this 2022 38 Jupiter. Contact us for more information.